Welcome to our modules on literary criticism. Dear friends, literary creation is almost as old as human history and is as inevitable to human life as literary criticism is to literature. However, the study of literature became a serious endeavor only after the Renaissance. During the Renaissance, literature was studied by some scholars as a part of history, others philosophy, some approached it as a piece of rhetoric, and some others as philology. Literary criticism could be defined as the approach towards understanding and appreciating literature. This discipline evolved gradually due to the emergence of diverse literary studies and theories. Instead of laying down a manifesto for the critical study of literature, literary criticism opened wide vistas of possible readings. The word criticism is etymologically derived from the Greek word krine, which means to judge, and the word kritikos means a judgment of literature. The Greek term originated in the 4th century. During the 17th century, criticism developed as a distinct body of critical inquiry and gained acceptance and authority among the literary circles in Europe. Criticism basically comprises of 3 distinct fields of inquiry, namely literary theory, literary history, and literary criticism. Literary theory proposes principles of literature, its formal categories and criteria, and elaborates the features and forms that make up a literary work. Literary history is an attempt to historicize literature. Literary criticism is defined as an activity that helps to understand and appreciate art and include understanding theory, applying theory to works of art, understanding its implications, and arriving at conclusions. A literary critic is one who interprets a work and discusses its socio-cultural and temporal peculiarities. Equipped with historical knowledge, a critic makes judgments that are not personal expressions but larger ones that enlarge the scope of critical analysis. Literary history and literary criticism are inseparably bonded entities that influence and enrich each other. This paper, titled Literary Criticism, is a journey into the depths of criticism, particularly the European theoretical formulations from the 17th century to the present. This paper aims to introduce you to the important theoretical and critical pronouncements that acted pivotal to the reading and analysis of literature. I, Dr. C.G. Shamala, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Mercy College, Palakkad, would be your guide in this journey to comprehend the critical insights of great critics, poets and writers, beginning from Romanticism of the late 19th century to feminism in the early 20th century, extending to the postmodern age of early 21st century. On the completion of this course, the term end assessment will make you eligible for certification with 4 credits, which could be carried over to your regular program, with the hope that this course would benefit the student community, meet the course requirements, and maintain academic standards. Let us get ready to embark on this journey and work in unison till our common goals are achieved. All the best. Wish you all engaging and fruitful days ahead.